You say you go cut my neck. Tell the whole world, say you go cut my neck. Because I respect you. I don't even talk, say you don't even reach my anything. I say, good afternoon, sir. You begin to insult yourself, say, you want to cut your neck. May thunder fire you. Or you saw me to cut. See, and I in picture, be the man I carry all the whole Facebook. Man I carry on. Why you come and fuck the girl for Paris? You don't know, say get 2 children. And the girl said she choose a man, tell you. Said she get 2 children with Ghana man. You deceive her, you not get room. You deceive her, make you come jam me, you carry and go camp. As you not respect yourself, you see her. Now what do you wish yourself? I be not wish you in this way. You are idiot. Nonsense boy. Your mama not born you where? You too dead nonsense. See nonsense boy we say one cut. If like say in Nigeria, me they go cut my neck. I will cut that place keep. Wa almost omo na ma koko se. Wa jesku kwa keka wa ma lene nwa. Tiana maybe your cut. Cause a cap na wa mobolo, a color na wa low. See, a Morocco react more. Now he be this. See, Morocco don't spoil life. He say if like say then Nigeria, oh, he go cut my neck. This boy blood go don't full in hand. If blood is there your hand, if you never confess, it shall never be well with you. Because if you never cut person neck, you know go don't tell the whole world. You say if like say then Nigeria, you for cut my neck. If blood is there your hands, or you don't jump person, fuck person before. If you drink water, it shall never be well with you. Wherever you go, it shall never be well with that home. Unless you go confess to the whole world. Say, if you the daughter of other people, who are you? Are you mad? Because I just take you, say, we are all one. Make I ask you, say, what did happen? I don't call you to insult you. See, I'm not, I be the. I don't want to show your wife, because your new wife there. I don't want to show her because your wife not do me anything. But you, for you to disrespect me, insult me, say you for talk, say you the mad bastards. Nobody should call me now. Make her show your face where. If you dey cut, you dey craze. He said he will cut my neck. Urawe law, mine not here Europe. Nobody should call now. If you call, not the pick. Me I show am again. More na look am. Na terrorists. Na aya killer na it be. Wait, I want come out in wife for inside. Una go see her for Facebook. This boy they kill people. Now what you use the man talk say if na Nigeria he go just take he go cut my neck. Say he be a killer. When I look at when I be this. As he put cap, una no go see him. If you call me, I no go pick. You like come out when me what do I call if you way? I don't want to show your wife. This one when your wife did, I don't know. Mona look at when I be this. I not do am anything. The woman where born for her. Now our sister. He said, Mommy, Iyore, I beg, get me call her. Make you help me talk to her. Make it talk to government. Make that they allow they see children. I call her. He said, oh, be that. I said, good afternoon, sir. I even greet her. This little rat of nonsense. I even greet her. He begin to insult his home. Begin to insult his parents. He begin to insult his city land. You the crazy? You just say now your land now you dare here. How dare you? And they pay tax for my YouTube. I'm not doing my YouTube for nothing. I declare my YouTube. So I'm a palatete. You don't see picture full all the YouTube. You say after they don't arrest any of them one day. You know they see picture. Even president picture, not the see her. They don't get picture, about picture, everybody picture. You know they see her for YouTube. Do you think that it's against the law? I mean, I be no one even do this kind of thing. I just call her to make peace. So that he and this girl, they go be one, even if they're not friends again. Because he said the boy don't marry. Okay, now, Joanne, now you go tell government, say the girl, they craze. The girl, not the craze. But you go tell government, say our sister, they craze. And now you the craze. Now you be Aya killer. Now you be Curtis. You see you? Look at you. Carolite. Carol White. Shentro. Yeah, Paris, you don't deceive her. You spend the 1 month. If that get the craze, why you go spend 1 month for her place? Why? If really say she the craze, now you the craze. They watch. Me when I call this video, go give her. You go regret the day you insult me when I call you. How dare you? You know how many home I don't settle? I don't even hurt you when I call you. I don't even insult you. You even they talk, I just quiet. May you talk finish. At the end of the day, you bust call on your head. So I partner to a fool. Very arrogant. When I look at well, I go know how he did Jamie. When I know I see her, na killer he be. Na killer. He just the man say so. It's on my YouTube here. Now he just the man talk and say he go cut my neck if I say na Nigeria day. Now that they collect your pikin, you not value them. Now you not care because you don't kill many people. Did you really pay me to do this, you little rat? Or Akba or Zuo? Now that I belefu. I don't do what I want to do you. Now I belefu because I be not happy. Not be this thing I be want even do you. If like say just give me respect. Madam Iyore, hold on. This guy wey dey see what he do me. See what he do me. Not be who carry case come the win case for my place here. See what he do. See what he happen. Simple. He begin to insult all in land. Mona look at where see and Shetro. You don't carry another woman for that. I don't want to show the woman face. Now it be this. Your first one, you throw away. How God want to bless you. The senior one, you not value her. How God want to bless the others. Shame on you. Bastard child. Somebody should call me. I'm dreading now. I don't know the Ghana man. I don't know her. I don't know her. I don't know. I go show now. Wait, go help me look her. Wait, I want to send her to person. Make help me check her whether you know her. I don't know the boy. Then not see myself. He ain't ever man. I want more area. You know, he was ya. Why you ever no go money? My, I wanna go go. Ari kuo me na. Oni agwa go abe do. E back of me. Apa we me magwe boy na gwa me ya na eko gari ri me. Wa be la jave ya je ni me ya kepeji nu me ya ri bai. Ko oni ere ni nu gwa na. Yeah, this thing. I mean, what I want. I mean, ni kwa doka wa koko nena. Ute wa guya gwa kere wa fiukbe. Ye wa kuriya ya kukugbe. When I investigate bana, you go ni kwa do ya pay you go one wa. O gidi gano. Ijene ya sende egyo ma. No mana gume ge don. Obye gana no. No gumi do ti. Do me ti hon. Hello, good afternoon. God bless you. I just want to ask you if you know this Ghana man. Please check it well and reply me. If you know her, write yes. If you not still know her, write no. Thank you. The back of Vomero. What's it, baby? I want up my feet on my webo. Just why when I want one keka. I want up my feet on, but the thing really touched me. I'm not your man once. Do my way on why we come go. Uga geleje school. Me na ni wa ya learn in school. Oga ime no iwe he dey busy. Do my own go me go. Uje busy ya cut me off. Enu ji soto wa ro me. Uwe gun e ko we ma be touch we wa a woman na wa nwa. E dey ni go egun say no. Don't do that. The case of next time. Okay? Learn how to respect who call you. Even if you don't like that person. If you don't like her, tell her so you dey busy. Simple.
Mình cho gặp thật để coi gì nó giờ nó cái cỏ nó uống nhá ham màu nó
Hello, brother. Welcome. Ise.
Hello, Jay.
Call something way.
Hello, Jay.
Call.
Call you.
now you follow us wherever we can every time we watch you now you know start actually man every time now come now wo je complain no so in over for 3 years all general so a man to all see yes on that before you know your my woman there